Briskets on the Weber Kettle using the snake method are so easy, even a caveman can do it. Now come check this out, guys. This is a brisket done on the snake method, 22-inch Weber Kettle. Absolutely tried and proven method. You can't mess it up. This is what you do. Now if you're chasing that perfect bark, killer smoke ring, which I don't think are super important, but this is all we did. Now you're gonna see this bark is made of just salt, pepper, and garlic. And what I did with this brisket was we dry brined it overnight. Check out my beginner brisket series so that you can see how I prep the brisket, how I dry brine, how I do all of that. Now once you get your snake method set up, make sure you're only using B&B briquettes. Check that thing out. Now if you like this video, please consider giving us a subscribe and tap the like button. Drop a comment just below. Low and slow between 225 and about 275 the entire cook. Nothing higher than those, nothing lower. All right, when the brisket got to about 140, or basically just get some nice color on the outside, put it in a foil bowl, and then we just let it continue to run, still going at 250. It was probing tender all across the brisket at about 199 degrees, and that's the drippings that's in there. So what I do a couple times during the cook, we just scoop those drippings over the brisket and let that moisten the bark a little bit. Wrap it up in the foil and give it a rest at least an hour, and man, this thing was a pleasure to slice into. Now the flat was not super moist like I like it, but it was pretty good. This brisket was made for a friend and they enjoyed it. So here you go, you can see that smoke ring, that bark, and a beautiful thing about using the foil boat is you get the perfect bark. Now make sure you go check out the beginner brisket series. Drop your questions below if you have any about the snake method.